In this short tutorial, I want to show you how you can move a chart in Excel so that way it's in its own tab. And as you can see, if I try to resize this chart, it's not going to resize. And this is great if I want to put a lot of emphasis on one chart in Excel. So to do this, I can click on the chart. Then I can right click on the chart. And then from here, I'm going to click on Move Chart. And I want to insert it not as an object in somewhere, but I want to insert it as a new sheet. I'm going to say bud bar chart E2. As I say, this is the second iteration of this graph. Click OK. And now, because the chart is in a new sheet, as you can see, it kind of has its own tab. I can still edit it as I would might want to different other charts. But as you can see, you can't really move it and to other areas. This is helpful if you want to put a lot of emphasis on one chart in Excel, and if you want to kind of flip through a few different charts during a presentation, for example, or if you want to just be super close up on one piece of a chart. And as you can see, this data is as a normal chart in Excel, it still links this data over here. But so if the data changes here, then the chart here also changes. I hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.